Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create your own music but felt overwhelmed by music production software or complicated workflows, today's video is going to be very interesting for you. In this video, I'll be using Musicful AI to walk you through a complete AI music creation workflow. We'll generate a custom beat sample, create a mashup from multiple tracks, build our own AI voice model, and finally turn the song into a complete AI music video. Let's get started. First, open the Musicful website and click the Login or Sign Up button. If you'd like to try the platform yourself, I've included my Musicful link in the description below. New users can create a free account in just a few seconds, while existing users can simply log in. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main Musicful dashboard. On the left side, you'll find features like AI Music, AI Cover, and AI Music Video. Now let's take a look at Musicful's new sound feature. This feature allows you to generate custom sounds, beats, ambience tracks, and audio effects simply by using a text prompt. At the top, you'll notice several creation modes including simple custom sound and soundtrack. For this workflow, I'm selecting the Sound tab in the prompt box. I can describe exactly what kind of audio I want to create. For this example, I'm entering a prompt for a chill lo-fi beat with warm piano, soft drums, and a relaxing atmosphere that's perfect for a modern pop-style intro. Below that we have advanced options where I can customize additional settings such as the generation type, BPM, and key, depending on the kind of sound I'm looking for. Once everything is ready, I'll click Create Sound. Musicful now analyzes my prompt and starts generating the audio. Within a few moments, the custom sound is ready and automatically appears inside my library. From here, I can preview the generated sound, download it, or use it as the foundation for other Musicful features. Now that my sound has been generated, you'll notice it appears in the library panel on the right side. To turn this sound into a complete song, I'll simply click the three-dot menu next to the generated track. Musicful gives me several options here, including Cover, Extend, Reuse, Create Voice Mashup, Inspo, and Sample this song. For this workflow, I'm selecting Sample this song. As soon as I click it, Musicful automatically opens the Custom Mode workspace and imports the selected audio for me. The best part is that I don't need to upload or reselect anything manually because the generated sound is already loaded into the project. Here I can see the audio waveform and choose the section I want to use as the foundation of my song. Next, I'll move down to the lyrics section. I can either write my own lyrics or use the AI Write Lyrics feature to generate them automatically. For this example, I'll add my lyrics and then optimize them using Musicful's built-in tools. After that, I'll scroll down to the Style section. This is where I describe the overall mood, instruments, and production style I want for the final song. For this example, I'm using a lo-fi pop style with warm piano, soft drums, emotional vocals, and a modern chill atmosphere. I can also expand more options to fine-tune additional settings and customize the generation even further. Once everything looks good, I'll add a song title and click Create Song. Now, Musicful combines the selected sample lyrics and style settings into a complete AI-generated track. Within just a few seconds, the final song is ready, complete with vocals, production, and arrangement.
Late night city lights shining bright across the sky. Every dream feels so alive. Tonight we're gonna fly through the shadows. We can see every possibility. Keep the rhythm in your soul.
Alongside Sample, Musicful also includes the Inspo feature. If you like the vibe or mood of a song, Inspo can analyze that reference and generate a completely original song with a similar feeling and energy. It's a great way to explore new creative ideas and overcome writer's block. Now let's move on to the Mashup feature. This feature combines two different songs into a completely new track. I'll select my first song, then I'll add a second song. Musicful automatically analyzes the rhythm, melody, and structure of both tracks. You can merge the lyrics or customize them however you'd like. After selecting a style, I'll click Create Song. Musicful then blends both tracks together and generates a unique mashup.
City lights shining bright across the sky. Every dream feels so alive. Tonight we're gonna fly through the shadows. We can see
Now let's look at one of the most exciting features in Musicful Voice with the Voice feature. You can train your own voice model and use it in future songs and AI covers. I'll open the voice section. Here you'll see 3 available options. Record, upload audio, select from library. If you'd like to record your voice directly, use the record option. If you already have an audio file, choose upload audio. For this demonstration, I'll use select from library. I'll choose an audio file from my existing library. Musicful will then run its voice verification process. This step helps ensure the voice is analyzed accurately. Once verification is complete, the voice model is added to the voice section. Now I can use this custom voice model for AI covers or entirely new songs. I've selected both my audio track and voice model. Let's click Create Song and see how the final result turns out. Now let's move on to Musicful's AI music video feature. Honestly, this was one of the most impressive parts of the platform. I'll open the AI music video section. First, I'll select the song I generated. You can also upload an external audio file if you'd like to create a music video from your own music. Next, Musicful provides several video styles, including singing, narrative, and abstract. For this demo, I'm choosing singing because it generates performance-style visuals that stay synchronized with the music. If you want to maintain character consistency, you can select one of the built-in characters or upload your own image. For this example, I'll use one of the built-in characters in the video concept section. You can describe your idea manually or use the Generate AI Concept button to let Musicful create a concept. Automatically, you can also use the Select Clip option to choose a specific section of your song. I'm selecting a highlight segment so the generated video focuses on the most engaging part of the track. Musicful supports both waveform and lyric-based generation, giving you greater control over the final result. Under video settings, I'll select a 16:9 aspect ratio and customize the resolution as needed. This is especially useful for YouTube content. What I really like about this feature is that Musicful automatically analyzes the rhythm, beat, and mood of the music to generate visuals that match the song. Now everything is ready. I'll click Create Music Video and let's see the final result.
Night city lights, late night city lights, shining bright across the sky. Every dream feels so alive. Tonight we're gonna fly through the shadows. We can see every possibility. Keep the rhythm in your soul. Let the music take control.
So that's the complete Musicful V3.0 workflow. We created an AI-generated song, explored the new sound generator, used the sample feature, tested the inspo feature, created a mashup, built a custom voice model, and finally generated a complete AI music video. Personally, I found Musicful to be very beginner-friendly because both music creation and video creation are available within a single platform. If you'd like to create songs, beats, AI covers, and AI music videos with the help of AI, I definitely recommend giving Musicful a try. I've included my special Musicful link in the description below so you can explore the platform for free. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.